Hello everyone, this is Yvonne from Trucking Out 404. In today's video, I'm going to go over several companies that you can use your personal vehicle for supplement income. The very first company I would like to present is called GIS Field Services. They're currently looking for drive-by residential property inspectors in the states of Alabama, Louisiana, Texas, Tennessee, and even Arizona. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is click on one of these opportunities so you can get information on the requirements and also the job function. So currently they are hiring an inspector to perform residential property inspections on the behalf of the mortgage lender. So what you're going to be typically doing, you're going to be reporting back the condition of the property. You're also going to be taking 6 to more photos of the property with brief comments. The typical inspection should only take between 4 to 6 minutes. The requirements they have listed below: your vehicle must be in good gas mileage, iPhone, a printer. If you're interested in applying to this company, I will leave the link in the description below this video. Next company I would like to present is called Recyclops. Recyclops, they recycle items. They're currently looking for Recyclops haul drivers and also Recyclops drivers throughout many states like North Carolina, California, New Jersey, Georgia, Tennessee, Utah, Arizona. So I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these available opportunities to give you more insight. So the one I clicked on was for the state of Utah. What they're currently looking for is a driver to pick up customer recyclable items. And the routes are available every other week on Mondays. The routes are 3 to 4 hours. The earnings for cars, $20 an hour. SUV and truck, $22 to $25 an hour. The next company I would like to present is called Independent Field Connections. The field representative that they are looking for will provide face-to-face contact with their customers, whether it's letter delivering, business and property inspection. They're currently looking for representatives in the Midwest area. Now I went ahead and click on the deed to apply to this company. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the properties and business inspector. So as far as with the property and business inspector position, what you're going to you'll be handling field calls, letter delivery, and small inspections at home. They're requiring you to at least have an EIN or LLC, and you must submit proof of this. If you're interested in this company as well, I will leave the link in the description below this video. So this is a part-time opportunity. It pays between $300 to $1,800 a month. Now, the next company I would like to present is called Trip2. Trip2, you can earn up to $30 an hour driving people to their doctor's appointments. These are non-emergency medical transportation services. So if you're interested in this company as well, I will leave the link in the description below this video. Now, if you have any questions, please do ask, and you all have a good day.